I am a fan of speed. I enjoy racing motorcycle on track. That's maybe my connection with the project today. I failed as being a fighter pilot, and that's why I became an aerospace engineer. That's my revenge. I like being involved in something which is new. It doesn't exist. This is the first time. So linked to challenges and maybe brings adrenaline in my work. I am always afraid about not doing enough. And I want to be sure that within a few years I will be retired. I will be able to see flying stuff and saying, I was part of it. It's a small piece of it, but I will be happy to share that with my grandkids. And thanks to these thousands of small actions, we can fly.